The question is this thing, there is a function f of x, when will it take the maximum value within the interval 0 to 1? Okay, so it's given f of x is equal to x raised to 25 into 1 minus x the whole raised to 75. Let x raised to 25 be u, 1 minus x the whole raised to 75 be v. We know that is f dash x must be 0 at maximum. F dash x is equal to v u dash plus u v dash, right? First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So here u is x raised to 25. What is u dash? 25 x raised to 24. U dash is nothing but derivative of u with respect to x. Okay, so u dash is equal to 25 x raised to 24. What is v? V is equal to 1 minus x the whole raised to 75. So v dash will be minus 75 into 1 minus x the whole raised to 74. It comes like 75 into 1 minus x the whole raised to n minus 1, 75 minus 1 into derivative of minus x, that is minus. That's how it is coming. Okay, so f dash x becomes u v dash plus v u dash. So when we substitute u dash v dash here, we will get 25 x raised to 24 into 1 minus x the whole raised to 75 minus 75, this one v dash 75 into 1 minus x the whole raised to 74 into u is x raised to 25. Okay, here let's take common factors from both of these terms. You can take x raised to 25, x raised to 24 is there in both, right? One has 25, one has 24. So let's take x raised to 24. Then 1 minus x the whole raised to 75 is here, 1 minus x the whole raised to 74 is here. So I can take 1 minus x the whole raised to 74 as a common factor. So x raised to 24 and 1 minus x the whole raised to 74, both are taken outside. So how would be the equation? If we take this outside, in the first expression it will be 25 into 1 minus x, right? You see, 25 into 1 minus x. In the second expression, if we take x raised to 24 into 1 minus x the whole raised to 74, it will be left with minus 75x. Okay, so here inside the bracket you have 25 into 1 minus x minus 75x. Let's open the bracket, it becomes 25 minus 25x minus 75x. Minus 25x minus 75x, it becomes minus 100x. So x raised to 24 into 1 minus x the whole raised to 74 into 25 minus 100x. Okay, so f dash of x equal to x raised to, once again, x raised to 24 into 1 minus x the whole raised to 74 into 25 minus 100x. This is f dash x. And we know when f of x becomes maxima, f dash x has to be 0, right? So let's suppose the f dash x is 0. When will it be 0? F dash x can be 0 when, first one, when x is equal to 0. Look here, when x becomes 0, the whole term becomes 0, right? So first condition is when x equal to 0, f dash x will be 0. Second is when 1 minus x becomes 0. That means when x becomes 1, this whole term becomes 0. So the whole f dash x becomes 0. So second is x equal to 1. Okay. Third is, look here, when this whole term becomes 0, then again f dash x will be 0. That means 25 minus 100x equal to 0. That means 25 is equal to 100x. That means x is equal to 1 by 4. So under these three conditions, when x equal to 0, when x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 4, we can get f dash x 0. That means out of these 3 points, one will be corresponding to the maximum value of f of x. Okay, let's see the values of f of x at these 3 points. First, f of x equal to, when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, what happens to f of x? X equal to 0 means here 0. That means f of x itself becomes 0. When x equal to 1, what happens? Again, when you substitute x equal to 1, this whole term becomes 0. So f of x again becomes 0. When x equal to 1 by 4, when you substitute x equal to, so first two cases, first two, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, gives you 0 as f of x. But if you take x equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 4 the whole raised to 25 into 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4 the whole raised to 75. That means you are getting a positive value here, right? That means when you have x equal to 1 by 4, okay, when you have x equal to 1 by 4, you are getting a positive value. Rest of the times you are getting 0 value. That means the max value happens when x equal to 1 by 4. So let's see the option is B. So answer is B. Thank you.